What are we doing today, Michael?
We're eating animal food. And he said I wouldn't be excited. I didn't think I'd be excited. I'm excited. Because his reaction is hilarious. No words?
I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was doing. This is not what I want to do.
Larry, you came out with it.
But for you, do anything.
Let's go! Hit it! Where's Walmart?
It's actually over there, but there's a car! Michael, what happened?
We can't film in Walmart, so they said we would rather you bring your cameras outside so you don't have the temptation to film. I have a cell phone connected here, so it's like, should I not have my cell phone in my pocket? I don't know.
All that to say, we can't film in Walmart, so we're gonna go and buy the stuff and then we'll show you what we got when we get out here. So, c'est la vie. What's going on, y'all? We made it back to the house, as you see. I don't know if you... I'm not excited about this. Not in the slightest. Not one bit. We have here 5 different types of dog food. They're all biscuits. They're all dog treats. So we are going to really just... We're going to rate them from best to worst in terms of flavor. Now, if you ever want to try them... we're giving you the guide. So you won't ever have to do anything except pick them up and eat them if you want them. Now, I don't know how many people want to do that, but I will not say a thing if you do. With that being said, we're going to pop off. We're going to jump right in. We couldn't film inside Walmart. They wouldn't let us. So we're going to show you guys everything now. Sorry about the...
We decided to do all biscuits.
Yeah,
dog treats. And
yeah.
We're gonna rate them.
It's the plan, brother. That's the plan.
That's the plan.
So we're starting with the peanut butter ones here, y'all. Yeah. We're starting with peanut butter.
It doesn't smell like peanut butter.
It smells nothing like peanut butter.
It smells like nothing. Do you smell something?
I don't smell anything, Michael. Maybe if I break it open. No, I don't smell anything when I break it open. There is zero smell to this, which concerns me. Because paper has no smell.
Do you feed your dog paper?
I don't have a dog.
I'm talking to them. Don't feed your dog paper.
All right. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
This is bad. This is really bad.
Doesn't taste like anything.
It's super dry.
Never feed your dog this. This is... Nope. It's not for your dog.
This was not good, y'all. This one's really bad.
It's not...
I mean...
It doesn't taste bad.
It's super dry.
It's just dry. It tastes like nothing. Just nothing. It's just a dry cookie that is not
It's like...
appetizing.
I think it's grain-based. So we've got whole wheat flour, oatmeal, wheat barn, chicken fat, crunchy peanut butter, apples, carrots, cane molasses, eggs, maltodextrin salt, natural peanut flavor, mixed tocopherols added to preserve freshness, rosemary extract, green tea extract, and spearmint extract. You don't taste any of that.
None of it.
It's super dry. It reminds me of cardboard.
If you just made it crunchy.
Yeah, like I'd give this give it a 2.
All right, 2.
Okay, that gets a 4. 4 out of 20.
Oh,
That's a failure.
that's bad. That is bad.
We're moving on to the next one. Bro, on the list of dog food, I at least wanted it to have some flavor.
Relating this to a human. For a human, this is probably like eating a plain cracker.
I guess you're right. Yeah. No, that's a pretty good. Yep. My.
Now these have some smell.
Oh, smells like vitamins. You know, like the multivitamins? It smells exactly like that. Take a whiff again.
It does. Look at the color of this.
Again, whole wheat flour, oatmeal, wheat barn, chicken fat, chicken, cane molasses, eggs, apples, carrots, turmeric, paprika, salt, cheddar cheese, paprika extract, bone charcoal
What?
extract.
Is there a difference between the colors?
It's original chicken, cheddar, and tartar. So I'm just gonna dive right in. This one kind of tastes like a cracker.
It's like a cookie. Honestly, it tastes better than the peanut butter one.
So much better.
I'll give this a 4.
I'd say it's a 5.
Really?
It's pretty neutral.
That's pretty nice.
It's pretty neutral. The peanut butter one was horrendous. That one's pretty neutral.
If you get original dog food, you could eat that as a snack.
Well, let's go with the orange one now.
Mm-hmm. Dogs really don't get much flavor
No, they don't.
because you wouldn't be able to tell the flavor. It's just like which is better plain.
Yeah. I guess dogs like variety and color, but they're colorblind, so what's the point? I give that one a 3. There's not really a difference between that and the original,
3. I like the original better.
except that one's a little bit more, I don't know, there's a difference. Like, there's a slight difference, but not a great one.
Definitely not cheddar.
Yeah, definitely not cheddar. You cannot taste any discernible flavor of cheddar.
No cheddar.
Okay, now the yellow one. This one doesn't. None of them have smells. It's really strange. All of them together have smells, but none of them separately have smells. That one is not good. The yellow one?
That's the chicken flavor. Wow, dogs really don't know what chicken tastes like.
Whatever dog you're feeding this to, it's a lie. They're telling you a lie.
Not good.
It's not chicken flavor.
I want to feed my dog chicken flavor. Nope. That's cracker flavor.
Now we got tartar,
Tartar.
bone charcoal.
What is that?
I don't know.
No, not good.
Each one gets significantly drier.
Yeah.
My mouth is like stuck together right now. Now I understand why dogs have to drink so much water. I was sitting there.
Give us a bowl.
Mike's about to die. Okay, overall, I give this a 4. I give it a 4.
4.
8 out of 20. Bad.
Bad. If you want to teach them to do good things with these treats, they'll do bad things.
Don't feed them this.
Avi, you want dog food?
No, she don't. No, absolutely not. We've got 4 flavors to taste. Again,
This will be the driest. Has a bunch of holes in it, so a lot of ventilation when you're eating it.
let me tell y'all something. Dogs don't got it good. Beef, chicken, liver, lamb. Helps freshen breath and clean teeth.
Beef, chicken, liver, lamb.
Liver, my guy?
Is liver red?
Liver blood?
Can we, doesn't smell like anything, does it?
It has a faint smell. Bro, it's really faint, but it's got a smell.
No. I taste the beef. I have tasted beef.
All I taste is defeat.
I taste beef. Hooray! We got one flavor. It tastes terrible, but I taste the beef. It tastes so bad. My stomach. You ate it. It's chicken, right?
Bro,
I don't care anymore.
this was a mistake.
A big mistake.
This is awful. I can't keep eating these. I can't swallow them. I think I'm gonna throw up if I keep swallowing.
I think I just gotta keep thinking that my insides are better than a dog's. Even chocolate would kill a dog. If I can eat chocolate, then I can eat. Dog food won't affect my stomach. I don't know. Just a thought. This one I'm not excited for. I'm getting like shivers. Side effect. Shivers.
That's supposed to help freshen your breath. I wonder if my breath is minty fresh. Dogs don't got it good, though.
Oh no. Thing is, I never had liver. It tastes like metal. Oh, I taste a whole lot of metal.
Last one. That's lamb.
Lamb. I'm getting so sad. Alright, lamb. It's not even rateable anymore. That's the worst one.
Let me talk to y'all for 1 second. Maybe we should reconsider what we're feeding dogs.
Yes.
It's bad.
It's terrible. It's like different tasting plain cookies as a treat.
The sentence you just said doesn't even make sense. Different tasting plain cookies. We've got different tasting plain cookies, guys. Maybe we should give dogs food.
Real food.
Maybe we should feed them like bacon.
I think the next one is bacon.
Is it bacon and blueberry together?
Maple, bacon, and blueberry flavor.
I don't know who decided this was a good combination. These have a smell. It's a faint smell of bacon.
Yeah. Blueberry? I don't know.
It's dense, brother. It's dense. It didn't even crack. You saw that? Look. Look. That's dense. That's a whole dog treat. That is a dense dog treat.
What if when you were younger, your mom gave you a really, really dense cookie and was just like, I want to get your jaw stronger. I want your teeth to become healthy. This is your treat. I'm going to make it taste like what it's not. But it's a cookie.
Let me tell you something. That's gonna work well. I feel like I'm really gonna throw up, though. This might be it for me.
Can't even do it. Oh, no.
This is the worst one.
Oh.
This doesn't even get a rating in my book. This right here, foul. Truly an abomination.
I want you to look at this packaging. Look how nice this packaging is.
This right here, if I was ever mad at a dog, I would throw this at it.
Eat it.
This is disgusting. What do you give it? I give it a 1. I don't. Can we give it 0?
I'm giving it a 0.
I'm giving it a 0
don't
as well.
deserve to be here.
0. Big fat 0. See how many I can make in a row. 1. I missed the whole table, y'all. All right, we give this a 0. What flavor is this?
I don't know. I don't care.
Extra tasty. Extra tasty is what they're saying. So the last ones, they had 0 flavor. Whole wheat flour, oatmeal, wheat bran, chicken fat, cane molasses, apples, carrots, chicken liver, eggs. Essentially, this one has no flavor. Oh, no. There are 2 flavors. No, there are
3
flavors.
So we got this one. We got this one.
Liver crunch.
Oh, no.
Peanuttier.
No more liver.
And bacon cheese.
Bacon cheese. Bacon cheese. This is it. This is all we got to... Which one did you have?
I have no clue.
And which one is this? Which one? Liver crunch? Peanuttier.
Let me tell you something.
There's no point in putting flavors on the package when there is no flavor.
This is no extra tasty. It's extra dry. Make you feel like you're drinking sand. Trying to chew sand. It's all horrendous. The best one we've eaten.
Oh, that was pretty good.
I think that your taste buds are jacked up now, bro. He said the dog food was pretty good. This guy is eating dog food and now saying it's good. Oh my gosh. Nope, I definitely not.
I can't even look anymore. You gotta cleanse your palate some way.
There's no extra tasty. There's just extra dry.
This is what you gotta feed your dog.
They put extra dry in this one. When you eat this, you get more dryness than any of the other ones. It's just extra dry. Like a sandcastle that fills up your mouth. And you can't escape it because it's everywhere. You know how sand gets in the middle of your toes and then it gets in your ears and it gets behind your ears, but then it gets under your fingernails and you're like, how did it get here? I didn't even put my face in the water. I didn't even get in the water. And yet sand ends up every single place. It's ended up in my toes. It's ended up in my eyes, in my ears. This dog food has invaded my space and I feel completely and utterly taken advantage of.
It was your idea.
If you like this video, like, click that bell, subscribe to the channel.
Yeah.
We're gonna be putting out more content. And the winner of this thing, classic. With an 8 out of 20. All these other ones,
Hey. So if
Terrible.
you're ever in the market for dog food
go to the original, guys.
and you want cheap stuff, got one.
Go to the original, guys. It'll set you free.
It'll set you free. It'll freshen your breath.
Subscribe to the channel.
It'll make you feel like a dog.
Subscribe to the channel. Putting out content. It's going to be coming out more quickly. We love y'all. We'll see y'all soon. Peace out.